Urhobo ado akobecha edenure na yare unwa pare ireru evo na Urhobo ovoro imigoro fowe oda die ayiro Urhobo ofori oshari ofa owo shari won wa bre Urhobo de kija oda ri awon ìwíjèrè kú ẹ̀wọ́ ṣàrí ọ̀fà kú ọ̀ yáta kú ọ̀ ṣàrí ẹ̀wọ̀n àbẹ̀ àgbóṣà ìwé. Okay, now let me break it down for those of you who don't understand. What I just said is that as an Urhobo woman, a married Urhobo woman, you are not permitted, no man is permitted to cross your leg. Like maybe your leg is on the way and the man just walk by and cross it over. You are being suspicious. In fact, that action is suspicious. Yes, you are not permitted to do that. Worst case scenario is you remove your leg for him to pass. But should you allow him to cross your leg, it means that you are buying market from the guy. And let me tell you, if you do that one to an Urhobo man, a promiscuous Urhobo man, the next thing now, he will deprice your market for you. Because you are the one that shaded it on this for him to price. In fact, that's another way of sending green signal to a man in Urhobo worldview. So as you're going about your day-to-day lives as a married Urhobo woman, and you want to show that you respect your husband, because the husband is the head of the house. And Urhobo one about we to dinner. We had just room before March you be in everything. You in everything. Where we be with that, everything falls in line. Ogeneka kwe shalu bezo biegba house mu to delay and ogeneka ke Urhobo egba veriale life mu yire apo lo fe ayeru ile Urhobo onena agwele taye bani mi to kata na kwevule o tani Urhobo ai populaire bukano diatane akosuwo erona mo do be iko obi moto bole uno ba ro bole wori eni okoro to pe ganu fa wo sasahira yo bo wori etitoye. Yes, you cannot shake the hand of a Muslim woman whether married or not. Now let me capitalize you. Eto me should be akakafia kale kene bure. Eto na modern la eto le ai omo deri oguro pegam fa you are as good as to marry that person. Yes. What I'm let to roye. In fact, that is because as it is, we follow that permitting. Because I'm let to let Okuro Pegan fa Omoteluko Pegan fa. Oh, yeah, only of Roye, no Mushari, or Seroye, equally Roye. Within the immediate family, other immediate family, I love so you can see that. Our culture makes us unique. So what I like Urhobo, like it. This I'm going to
Sweet Brother Social Club of Nigeria, Urhobo, Patrick Father President, Robin City.